Tired of juggling a razor, trimmer, and edger? The Philips Norelco OneBlade 360 Pro claims to replace all three. Let's see if it's actually worth your money. The OneBlade 360 Pro is a hybrid trimmer and shaver with one standout feature. The 360 blade flexes in all directions to follow your face contours. Makes hitting jaw lines and under the nose easier without awkward angles. 12-length adjustable comb from 0.5 millimeters to 9 millimeters. Blade speed of 12,000 cuts per minute, 100% waterproof for shower or dry use. Battery delivers 90 minutes runtime on a 1-hour charge, and blades last 4 months before replacement. LED display tracks battery status. The 360 blade adapts to facial contours without constant grip adjustments. Users report easier navigation around the chin and Adam's apple compared to standard trimmers. Shaving comfort is solid but not razor close. Less irritation and minimal razor burn, which is the trade-off. If you need baby smooth skin daily, this won't cut it. For maintaining facial hair or comfortable shaves without irritation, it works well. The dual-sided design handles edging efficiently. Clean lines around beards or sideburns take seconds, and you can shave in either direction. One downside, thick, coarse beards require multiple passes. Average to medium facial hair handles fine. Blade replacements cost $15 to $20 every 4 months, so factor in $45 to $60 yearly maintenance. Philips' site listed around $50. Amazon ranges $50 to $70 depending on sales. Build quality is premium. Solid materials, waterproof design, easy cleanup under the tap. No cheap plastic feel. Worth it? If you want one tool for trimming, edging, and shaving, it delivers. The 360 blade genuinely helps with hard-to-reach spots. Just remember those recurring blade costs. Thinking about getting one? Let me know below. Hit like if this helped.